So my baby girl lost her first tooth a few days ago, and I just got home and I noticed that there was a draft coming from her room. So I came in, I just wanted to check it out, and I noticed that the window was open. So let me show you what I came in here and I found. So I noticed that the house was a little bit cooler than usual, so I was walking around and I looked in my daughter's bedroom and I found that the window was cracked open. So I kind of thought that was a little odd. So I went up to see what was going on, and I noticed that there was some fairy dust left. And I don't know exactly how she might have gotten through the screen. Maybe she just pried it out and put it back in, but it doesn't look like there's any damage done to the window. But the window was left open, and if you follow the fairy dust, you can see she left a trail behind. Or he, who knows, maybe it's a tooth fairy man. But if you look on her bed, it looks like the tooth fairy left some shoes and some new toothpaste for her new teeth and a new toothbrush. And then I noticed that there was a little bit of gold sticking out right there on the corner. So I don't want to mess it up too much, but let's take a peek underneath. It looks like she's got all kinds of goodies that the tooth fairy man left behind. Looks like she's got a couple dresses, some MK shoes, some new little heels. She loves heels. Looks like she's got a Shopkins. This was the little baggie that her tooth was in. You can see her tooth is gone, and she just left a little bit of fairy dust for her. So this is pretty cool. I don't ever remember the tooth fairy hooking me up like this. I think the most I ever got was probably about $5 is where I topped out at. So she should be pretty happy with this. I'm gonna leave the camera up so that when she comes in here, we can see what she thinks about what the tooth fairy woman or man left for her, and see how excited she's gonna be. I just hope she doesn't get too spoiled, because I don't think the tooth fairy man can do this every single time, because I know he's got bills and mortgage, and from what I hear, he's got another full-time job. He just does the tooth thing on the side. So I hope the next tooth that she gets, she doesn't get disappointed, because I don't think he can do this every single time. The tooth fairy also has his own family to take care of, and I heard that the tooth fairy is building his own shop because he's running out of room to store all these baby teeth, and he needs a bigger place to work out of so that all the children of the world can cherish this time in their life. So I'm pretty excited to see how my daughter's going to react. I hope the tooth fairy made her happy this year.
Magic, she took it. She let me have the magic. Hey, what's that? Yay! Whoops. Mommy, she came.
She did.
Oh, Dave! Yay! What?
You can wear that to dance.
She can't.
Why
She
not?
has to be in a leotard.
Yeah, she can wear it over.
Ooh, this one's pretty.
That is pretty.
Mama, I got a new toothbrush
Mm-hmm.
and toothpaste. And guess what? She got me.
Mm-hmm.
Magic does.
We gotta go. Do you know where her dance bag is?
Why are there cameras in my room?
Do you know where her dance bag is?
No.
Why are there
Did you find
cameras
your
in my
dance
room?
bag?
It's been a long day.